In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the waiting room on Zoom, which can also be referred to as turning off the lobby. First, you'll want to open a web browser and head to Google. You may already be familiar with this routine, but it's as simple as typing Zoom into the search bar and pressing Enter. You'll probably see a list of results, but you're looking for the official Zoom link. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. After you've successfully logged in, take a moment to locate your profile icon. Typically, you'll find this in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Here's where you can adjust a variety of your Zoom preferences to better suit your needs. Now that you're in the Settings section, look on the sidebar for the option labeled Meeting and click on that. This will open up the specific options that pertain to meetings. It's nice to note here that Zoom offers a wide range of customization options, which you can explore at your leisure either now or later. Scrolling down on the Meeting Settings page, you'll come across the Security tab. These settings are crucial as they help you manage who can enter, when, and how. Search within the Security section for the Waiting Room option. By default, Zoom has this enabled to help hosts control attendance, but for larger or more open meetings, you might find it more convenient to turn this off. Simply toggle the switch to disable the waiting room. You'll receive a confirmation that the waiting room is turned off, making entry into your meetings more seamless and accessible for your participants. And there you have it. Just like that, you've disabled the waiting room feature on Zoom, easing the way for your participants to join meetings without delay. Be sure to explore other settings while you're here. Zoom has lots of features to enhance your meeting experience. That wraps up our guide today. Thanks for following along. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.